Hey guys, this is a short video about the Model Y door handles, which are the same thing as the Model 3. So you'll notice that this black part here is the door handle. It fits flush with the body panel. That's for efficiency. You'll notice that the mirror is out, so the car is unlocked. So take your thumb, press, and then pull as the handle pulls out. See, nothing to it, okay? Now, if you're like Ray, and Ray is different, you can take your finger, press, and pull. And for added measure, you'll see there's a little dot here in the door handle off on the inside. You press this to release the door, and then just push against the door. There is another little thing right here, but this is just for emergencies. So the difference is when you push the button here, the window is frameless, so it'll bring the window down just a little bit when you go to open it. So when you close it, it won't cause any problems with the door. If you use the emergency latch, that will not take the window down. Okay, there you go.